This course is brought to you by Appy Pie as part of our Academy series.
This is the last video of this course. You are able to learn how to find company data and collect them. I hope you can do web research job, but this is not the complete web research course. This course is the first part of a serial course. Then serially I will publish web research volume 2 and 3. In the second series, I will teach you more about web research, and in the third series, I will show how to work in the web research working platform. I hope you will be stay with me. For any kind of tech tips, join me with these social media sites.